One of the main reasons why I invented this tilting tricycle was out of laziness. I didn't want to put my feet down when I stopped my motorcycle or bicycle. I felt the feeling of balance was so magical. I just never wanted to put my feet down when I stopped. The device I chose made riding so much more pleasurable and controllable that I pursued it over many years because it was the most fun you could have with your clothes on.
This was insane. I used air springs for active tilt control. It sounds like air brakes on a garbage truck.
It's a threatening, rainy Saturday morning, but the rain will not stop love or the recumbent bike people. Ah!
We're out here showing you guys some alternative ways of riding around the city instead of pedaling upright.
We like to go fast and slow at the same time.
Let's meet our official umbrella holder. You are?
Zoe,
Hey, Zoe, are you related to anybody out here?
my dad. That's his other bike that I ride.
Is it easier or harder to ride recumbent style?
Easier.
Oh, it's excellent therapy. I've been building and designing these since the 1983.
It's relaxing riding. You can ride all day without being tired.
And the advantages of this biking over ordinary biking?
Aerodynamics. Aerodynamics is all. These bikes can weigh 50 pounds, and you're still going to go fast because of aerodynamics.
It's actually hydrodynamics based on a torpedo. How a torpedo goes through the water, not so much aerodynamics.
And you, sir?
Warren Beauchamp.
How do these things go?
Well, if the bike's fully furred like this, you can attain speeds in the 40-mile-an-hour range if you're reasonably fit. If you hit any kind of a downhill, 50 and 60 miles an hour is really attainable.
There's a copy of the Gold Rush replica, the bike that broke the 65-mile-an-hour record.
I've been pulled over several times for speeding. When the police pull you over, they kind of think that you're a motorized.
No tattoos, no bloodletting.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Here you go, you're riding.
This is a bike.